Hi, let me show you how easy it is to keep your bike shining like new with Wash&shine66 from Shiny Kings, California. Here's all you need: a combined high fiber and short fiber microfiber cloth for removing dirt and grime and effective polishing, and Wash&shine66 waterless bike wash. You don't need any water or buffing tools at all, so you can do this anytime, anywhere, on the road or at home. All you need, you can easily carry on your bike at all times. So you simply start by spraying the product from top to bottom on the surface you need to clean: glass, wheels, leather, chrome, and even painted surfaces. Wash&shine66 is specifically formulated to work on all surfaces of your bike, also on flat paint. It doesn't contain any corrosive substances, so you don't have to be afraid to use it all over. Now, you take the high fiber side of the cloth and remove all dirt, grime, and excess product. And for the last step, you use the short fiber cloth side to polish to a perfect award-winning shine. As you can see, you get results right away. You don't need any water, preparation, special technique, or additional products. It's super easy to get a scratch-free, spotless shine. Now it takes just one product and only a couple of minutes to clean and protect your bike from the weather and all elements on the road. Wash&shine66 is an eco-friendly alternative using a non-toxic and fully biodegradable formulation and saves hundreds of gallons of water. As you don't need any water and it contains no ammonia, alcohol, or harsh chemicals, you don't have to worry about harmful wastewater or toxic solutions harming your bike's finish. Once you try Wash&shine66, I guarantee that you'll get addicted to how much faster and more convenient it is to clean and detail your bike when you're not tied to a water source. That's why we confidently offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Make sure your bike gets the shine it deserves. New Wash&shine66 waterless bike wash with Ultra Shine by Shiny Kings, California. Order now at shinykings.com.